Good morning. You have reached the style room. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, good morning. I would like to make an appointment for a haircut, please.
Of course, I can certainly help you with that. Are you looking to make a booking for today or for a future date?
A future date, please. Sometime later this week, if possible. My hair is getting a little too long and I need a trim.
I understand completely. A fresh haircut always feels great. Have you visited our salon before, or is this your first time with us?
I have been to your salon once before, a few months ago. I was very happy with the haircut I received, so I wanted to come back.
We are so happy to hear that. It's always wonderful to welcome back a happy client. We will do our best to find a suitable time for you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I am looking at my calendar now, so I am ready to check some dates.
Perfect. Being prepared always makes the booking process much smoother. So let's get started and find a good time for your appointment.
Great. I am ready when you are. Just let me know what information you need from me.
Okay, let's begin. Since you have been here before, do you have a preferred stylist that you would like to book your appointment with?
Yes, I do. The stylist who cut my hair last time was fantastic. I believe her name was Maria. She did an excellent job. I would love to have her again if she is available.
Maria is one of our most popular senior stylists. She is very talented. Let me just open her schedule on my computer and see what her availability looks like for the rest of this week.
Thank you. I have my fingers crossed that she has an opening. I really liked how she understood exactly what I wanted.
I am looking at her schedule now. Maria is a very busy stylist. It looks like she is completely booked for today and tomorrow.
Oh, that's a shame. What about this Friday? Does she have any available appointments on Friday? I am free in the afternoon.
Let me check Friday for you. I'm sorry, but it looks like she is fully booked on Friday as well. She has appointments back to back from morning until closing time.
Wow, she really is popular. I should have called earlier to book. This is my fault for waiting until the last minute.
It happens to the best of us. A lot of our clients book their next appointment with Maria before they even leave the salon. Her schedule fills up very quickly.
I can see that. So, is there any chance at all for this week? Or do I need to wait until next week?
Let me take one final look at Maria's schedule. I am afraid she is also fully booked for the entire day on Saturday. She is a very difficult stylist to get an appointment with on short notice.
I understand. Well, thank you for checking. I suppose I will have to wait until next week. I just really wanted to get it done before the weekend.
I might have another suggestion for you if you are open to it. We have another wonderful senior stylist here named Leo.
Leo? I don't think I have met him. Is he new to the salon?
He has been with us for over a year now, and he is extremely talented. Our clients love him. He is especially great with modern men's hairstyles. He is very precise.
I see. I was just so comfortable with Maria because she already knows my hair. It can be a little nerve-wracking to try a new stylist.
I understand your hesitation completely. It's a very personal decision. However, I can assure you that Leo is a true professional. I could make some notes for him about how you like your haircut based on your last visit.
You could do that? That would be very helpful. It would be a good starting point for him.
Of course. We keep detailed notes for all of our clients. So, would you be interested in checking Leo's availability for this week? He might have some openings.
Okay, you've convinced me. I am willing to give him a try. Let's see if Leo has any appointments available this week.
Great. I think you will be very pleased with Leo's work. Let me open his schedule now. So, you mentioned that you were hoping for an appointment on Friday afternoon?
Yes, that's correct. I finish work at 3 o'clock on Friday, so anytime after about 3:30 would be perfect for me.
Okay, I am looking at Leo's schedule for this coming Friday. It is also a very busy day for him. Let me see.
I have a feeling this is not going to be easy. It seems like your salon is a very popular place.
We are very fortunate to have many loyal clients. Okay, I am looking at Friday afternoon. Leo has one appointment slot left for the entire day.
That's good news. What time is the appointment? Please say it's after 3:30.
I am sorry, but the last available time he has on Friday is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh no, that's too early for me. I will still be at work. I can't leave before 3 o'clock, so I guess Friday is not going to work either.
It seems that way. I am very sorry about that. Friday afternoons are always the first appointments to get booked up. Everyone wants a fresh haircut for the weekend.
I can understand that. That's exactly why I wanted a Friday appointment. Do we have any other options at all for this week?
If Friday afternoon is not possible, what about Saturday? I know you said Maria was fully booked, but what about the new stylist, Leo?
Of course. Let me check Leo's schedule for this Saturday. Saturday is our busiest day of the week, but let's see what we can find.
Thank you for being so patient and helpful. I appreciate you looking through all of these options for me.
It is my pleasure. My job is to find a solution that works for you. Okay, I am looking at Saturday now. The afternoon is completely full, I'm afraid.
The entire afternoon? Wow. What about the morning? I am free all morning on Saturday.
The morning is looking a little better. He has a few spots left. He has an early appointment available at 9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock? That's a little too early for me on a weekend. I like to have a slow and relaxed morning on Saturdays. Do you have anything a little later?
I understand completely. Let me see. Yes, he has one more opening in the morning. The appointment is at 11:30.
11:30 in the morning. That sounds absolutely perfect. It gives me time to wake up, have breakfast, and I will still have my whole afternoon free after the haircut.
Wonderful. I am so glad we found a time that works for you. So, shall I book you in for this Saturday at 11:30 with Leo?
Yes, please. That would be fantastic. Let's lock in that appointment.
Excellent. I am just holding that slot for you in our system now. It's for this Saturday at 11:30 with Leo. Now, what services would you like to book for your appointment?
I just need a haircut, please. A simple trim to tidy things up.
Okay, a haircut. And would you like to have your hair washed and conditioned before the cut, or would you prefer to just have a dry cut?
That's a good question. What do most people usually get? I think last time I had my hair washed first.
Most of our clients prefer to have their hair washed by us. It ensures the hair is perfectly clean and prepared for the cut. It often results in a better, more precise haircut.
That makes sense. A clean canvas for the artist to work on. Yes, I think I would like to have the wash and cut, please.
Great choice. And after the cut, the service includes a quick rinse and styling. Is that something you would be interested in?
What does the styling include? I don't want anything too complicated.
It's very simple. After a final rinse to remove any small hairs, the stylist will dry your hair and use a small amount of product like a wax or a cream to style it for you.
Oh, I see. So I will leave the salon looking neat and ready to go. I won't have to go home and fix my hair myself.
That's the idea. You will walk out of here looking and feeling your best.
In that case, yes, I would like the full service. The wash, the cut, and the styling. Let's do it all.
Perfect. So I have you down for a men's wash, cut, and style. Now, do you have any other questions for me about the service?
Yes, I have two more quick questions. First, how long should I expect the appointment to take? I want to plan the rest of my day.
That is a very good question. For a wash, cut, and style, we always recommend that you allow about 45 minutes from start to finish.
45 minutes. Okay, that's not too long at all. So if my appointment is at 11:30, I should be finished by about 12:15.
That is exactly right. It may even be a little quicker, but we like to allow that much time so that the stylist never feels rushed. It ensures a high-quality service.
I appreciate that. I would rather the stylist take their time and do a good job. Okay, that's great. My second question is about the price. How much does that service cost?
The price for a men's wash, cut, and style with one of our senior stylists, like Leo, is $55.
$55. Okay, that sounds reasonable for a high-quality salon in this area. I just wanted to be sure so I know how much to bring.
Of course, it is always good to ask about the price in advance so there are no surprises. So just to confirm, you are happy with the duration of 45 minutes and the price of $55?
Yes, that all sounds perfect to me. I don't have any more questions. Thank you for the clear information.
You are very welcome. I am happy to help. So, we are almost finished. I just need to take down a few details from you to put into our booking system.
Of course. What information do you need?
I know you have been here before, but I just want to make sure I have the correct client file. Can you please give me your full name?
My name is David. My first name is spelled D-A-V-I-D, and my last name is Miller. M-I-L-L-E-R.
Thank you, David. I am just typing that into the system now. Ah, yes, I have found your file right here. David Miller. I see your last visit was in May with Maria.
That's me. I am glad you found me in your system. Does that mean you have my phone number already?
I do have a phone number on file for you. Can I just read it back to you to make sure it is still the correct number?
Yes, please do.
The number I have here is 555-0123. Is that still your best contact number?
Yes, that is my correct mobile number. That is the best way to reach me.
Wonderful. It's always good to confirm those details. Thank you for your patience while I did that. Your information is all up to date. Okay, David. I think we have everything we need. Before we finish the call, I would just like to confirm all the details of the appointment with you one last time.
Yes, that would be great. Please go ahead.
I have booked an appointment for David Miller. The service is a men's wash, cut, and style.
The appointment is with our senior stylist, Leo.
That is all correct so far.
The appointment is scheduled for this coming Saturday, which is September the 16th. The time is at 11:30 in the morning.
Saturday, September 16th at 11:30. Yes, that is what I have written down in my calendar.
Perfect. We have also noted that the appointment will take approximately 45 minutes and the cost will be $55. Does that all sound correct to you?
Yes, every single detail is correct. Thank you for being so thorough. I feel very confident that everything is booked correctly.
It is our pleasure. We find that confirming all the details helps to avoid any confusion later. One last thing I should mention is our reminder policy.
Oh, okay. What is that?
We will automatically send you a text message to your mobile phone the day before your appointment, so on Friday, just to remind you of the time.
That is an excellent service. I really appreciate that. It's easy to forget appointments when you are busy.
So I will receive a text message on Friday to remind me about my Saturday morning appointment. That is very helpful.
Yes. The text message will also ask you to reply with a yes to confirm that you are still coming. It helps us manage our schedule.
I will make sure to reply as soon as I receive it. That all seems perfectly organized.
Wonderful. So, your appointment is all set. You are officially booked in our system. Is there anything else at all that I can help you with today, David?
No, that is everything. You have answered all of my questions, and you have been incredibly helpful and patient. Thank you so much for your great service.
You are most welcome, David. It was my pleasure to help you. We are all looking forward to seeing you at the salon on Saturday morning.
Thank you. I am looking forward to it as well. It will be nice to have a fresh haircut.
I am sure that Leo will take excellent care of you. I think you will be very happy with his work.
I am sure I will be. Well, thank you again, Emma. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too, David. Thank you for calling the Style Room. We will see you on Saturday. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.